Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to configure RIP, that is routing information protocol for two different networks. Here we are using network A and network B to communicate, and we are using two routers, router 1 and router 2, and two end devices, laptop 1 and laptop 2. Laptop 1 is directly connected to router 1 through fast internet 0/0, and laptop 2 is directly connected to router 2 through fast internet 0/0. So uh, basically in RIP we are using third network to configure, that is network C. Here you can see. So first of all we will configure fast internet 0/0 of router 1. So interface fast internet 0/0 IP address. So basically here fast internet 0/0 is in network A. So IP address can be 192.168.1.2 255.255.255.0, and we will change the state. Now sit down, and here we go. Now we will configure laptop 1 and laptop 2. So laptop 1, so as you can see I already configured laptop 1 as 192.168.1.1 as it is in network A, 255, 255, 255, and for laptop 1 fast internet 0/0 is default gateway, so 192.168.1.2. Same thing we will do on router 2. So CLI interface fast ethernet 0/0 IP address. Here IP address can be any address from network B. So 192.168.2.2. Space 255.255.255.0. It is the basic syntax for giving IP address to any port. Now we'll change the state. Push it down. Here you can see green lights that shows connection is done. Now we will configure laptop 2. So as you can see, I already configured laptop 2 as 192.168.2.1 as it is in network B. And default gateway is fast internet 0/0, that is 192.168.2.2. So now we will need third network to communicate between two routers. So we are using 128.1.0.0/16 for fast internet 1 of router 1 and fast internet 1/0 of router 2. So we will configure that interface fast internet 1/0. IP address can be 128.1.1.1 255 255.0.0. We will change the state of the port. Push it down. It is done. Same thing we will do on router 2. So interface fast internet 1/0 IP address 128.1.1.2 255.255.0.0, and we'll change the state, and you can see the green light. So connection is done. So now basically in RIP configuration we are providing networks directly connected and indirectly connected to the router. So here for router 1, network A and network C are directly connected networks, and network B is indirectly connected network. So we put all those in router 1. So command is router RIP. First we'll put known networks. network 192.168.1.0 and network 128.1.0.0 and a known network, that is network B. So network 192.168.2.0. So this is how we will configure RIP on routers. So configuration is done. Same thing we will do on router 2. I already did that. I already configured router 2. You can see config tab, rep. You can see 128 1.0.0, 192 168 1.0, 192 168 2.0. And another way to check that thing is command IP route. So we will use that. Show IP route. So you can see that 192.168.2.0 is indirectly connected to router, and 192.168.1.0, that is network A, and 128 1.0.0, that is network C, are directly connected via fastener 0/0 and 1/0 accordingly. Now all the configuration are done. Now we have to check our connections. So is it our work network is working or not? We will see that. For that, go to simulation mode, select packets, send laptop 1 to laptop 2 and capture forward. You can see first time it is always, canceling the packets. So we'll reset simulation, delete the packet, and again we'll try. So capture forward. You can see packet reached to our laptop 2. Now it is giving feedback to router 2 as it knows default gateway of router 2. Router 2 will forward the acknowledgement to router 1, and router 1 will send the acknowledgement to the source, that is laptop 1. Here you can see connection is done, data is sent successfully, and acknowledgement is received successfully. So this is how RIP configuration will be done on the network. Thank you so much.